In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain to Mailchimp. If you want your emails to come from your own brand and your website to integrate smoothly with Mailchimp's tools, this short, clear walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to expect. Begin on your Mailchimp dashboard. At the very top of the page, you'll find the search bar. It's the quickest way to reach the right settings without digging through menus. Click into the search field, type domains, and then select the domains result that appears. This takes you to the central hub, where all domain-related connections are managed. On the domains page, you'll see two paths. The first is to add and verify an email domain, which is what you use to send campaigns from your own address, like hello at your company. Verifying your email domain improves deliverability and builds trust with your audience because your messages clearly come from your brand. The second path is to connect a website domain, which lets Mailchimp use your domain for features like landing pages, your Mailchimp website, and certain tracking and branding elements, so everything your audience sees stays consistent. From here, it's straightforward. Click the button that matches your goal and continue. Choose Add and Verify Email Domain if you're focused on sending branded emails. Choose Connect a Website Domain if you want your site and Mailchimp's web tools to work under your own domain. The buttons are clearly labeled, and once you click, Mailchimp walks you through the rest on screen with clear prompts, progress indicators, and simple confirmations. A few helpful tips to make this smooth. Confirm you're signed in to the correct Mailchimp account, especially if you manage multiple brands. Have your brand's domain name and the email address you intend to use ready to go, and double-check spelling before you proceed. If the domains page doesn't appear in search on the first try, make sure you're on the main dashboard and try Domains again. If anything looks stuck, a quick refresh or opening the page in a new tab usually clears it up. And if you collaborate with a team, ensure your account role has permission to manage domains. Once you've clicked the appropriate option and continued through the on-screen guidance, you're all set. That's all it takes to connect your domain in Mailchimp, setting you up for professional, reliable email sending and a cohesive brand presence across your marketing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with confidence.